Welcome back to another vlog. Good morning, guys. Today we're going to my sister's college, and I actually start school tomorrow, so that's where we're gonna get ready. So to get ready for school tomorrow, we're doing like a fake run of the first day of school, so I'm gonna vlog everything. So since we have to pretend like we're going to school on the first day, I'm taking a shower and putting on an outfit. So yeah. So now I'm finding an outfit. I show you guys like what I'm looking at from the other side of the camera. I should wear like these simple dresses just for today. I have all these pants. I'm gonna wear some shorts, I think. Jackets. These are the shirts I have to wear. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear my Miranda Sings shirt today. So this is my outfit I'm gonna wear today. I think for my shoes, I'm just gonna wear those Birkenstocks that are over there but are face down. So I picked out my outfit and now I'm gonna take a shower. So I'm going in the bathroom and so I'm gonna turn on the water. So I just took a shower and now I'm getting breakfast. So I just ate and now we have news that we're getting a puppy today, so I'm gonna vlog everything. So we're about to head out to get the puppy, and how do you feel? Okay. So I'm gonna ask her again, how do you feel about getting the puppy?
Good. I'm excited.
And it's National Dog Day too, so.
I'm gonna vlog the puppy. When I get her, I'll vlog her.
Yeah, so I see you when we're heading out. So I'll show you the puppy like waiting for the people to bring us the dog, the puppy. So
We just got lost.
We just got lost.
It was like a long drive. Like we didn't even know where we were. We had to stop for gas because we thought we were gonna run out of gas because we didn't get gas before.
And the person with the puppy is bringing the puppy here to us. So.
Yeah, but my mom was getting gas. Nothing, mommy.
Vlogging.
But yeah, it took us a long time. We went to Walmart. We thought there was gonna be a gas station, but there wasn't. Then we had to find like another destination place. It was a lot, and I just want a puppy. All I want is a puppy, and you know I didn't want to get sick of it, but it's pretty nice. It's actually really pretty.
So we're about to get a puppy. We're so excited. We just got the puppy, and it's so cute. Look at it.
Look at her face.
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Show her again. Hold on.
Her face, like what?
Her breast smells like a puppy.
It's so cute. And to prepare for school tomorrow, we have to get 4 outfits of the week because we don't have school on Friday, so there's only 4 days of the week that we have school. So I'm gonna pick out outfits and everything for back to school for the second day. And I think I'm gonna wear this so that's the second outfit. So too many reps again. Oh, let me see these. This is one of the shirts I'm gonna wear. It's Champion. So yeah. To find another shirt. I think I'm just gonna wear a white one. So yeah. This shirt, I think. So now I'm going to show you everything that's going to school with me in my backpack. So I have you up on my little tripod thing, and the first thing is my pencil case. I have to rip the tag off, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll rip the tag off. I'm just going to fill it with some pencils that I got, so this is from Walmart. these are some of the pencils I have, so I'm just gonna open these. Oh, I have these pencils I'm gonna bring in and put in my case. So I put that in there. I think I have Sharpies too. I have Sharpies also, just the black ones. I'm gonna try to open these and like leave 3 in them. 3 in my pencil case. And they're already sharpened, so I don't know if you could see that. Like they're pre-sharpened. I'll get one more. Also with the mechanical pencils, I have these right here, so I'm just gonna put them in. So this is packed. This is all packed and ready to go. I have this folder, it's like this. And you can put like all your classes in here, so that's very good for organizing. I have this to put in my bag. This notebook. And just some post-it notes. I do have a school computer that I need to bring, so I need to remember to charge that. So this is all I have for school. So this is the end of the getting puppy and preparing for back to school vlog. So I'll see you tomorrow.